Hey, what's up guys? Dino Black, client advisor with the Russ Darrow Automotive Group over in Wauwatosa at the Kia store. Today, it's National Car Day, so you know what that means. I'm going to tell you about my 1972 Mustang convertible. And yes, it's got the original paint color. It's an enamel-based lead green color, and it's miraculous. It's a family heirloom. Her name is Mary Jane. One of my prides and joys of the family, aside from my children, my wife, of course. But I love this car. It's our everything, and it's super cool. I look forward to seeing you guys soon at the store. Don't forget, if I can be helpful in any way, 262-207-4159. Thanks so much. Have a great day.
So for National Car Day, my car's name is Blueberry because it's blue and it looks like a berry. So Blueberry.
My truck's name is Gunther in honor of his sister Gucci, who's no longer here with us.
Okay, my car's name is Miracle.
And mine is Whip.
Miracle Whip, for besties.
My car's name is Jenny. Jenny from the block.
I named my car Smurfette because she's blue like a Smurf.